Imagine introducing yourself to a new neighbor. You want to say where you live, and you want to say where you work. To do this, we use present tense. In Dutch, regular verbs are very logical. First, take the infinitive verb. Drop the ending n to find the stem. For ik, use just the stem. For jij, hij, or zij, add t. For plurals, use the whole infinitive. Laten we beginnen. Let us begin. Let's start with the verb werken, to work. The stem of werken is werk. Ik werk in Amsterdam. I work in Amsterdam. Now let's add t for jij. Jij werkt in de stad. You work in the city. You work in the city. How about hij, which means he? Hij werkt elke dag. He works every day. For wij, keep the full verb, werken. Wij werken heel hard. We work very hard. Can you guess how to say she works? The word for she is zij. That's right. Add t to the stem. Zij werkt in een bureau. She works in an office. Now let's look at wonen, to live. The stem of wonen is woon. Notice the double O for a long sound. Ik woon in Utrecht. I live in Utrecht. Waar woon jij nu? Where do you live now? Hij woont in een huis. He lives in a house. Wij wonen samen hier. We live together here. How would you say you all live? Jullie means you all. Jullie wonen heel fijn. You all live very nicely. Next, let's look at leven, to live. Be careful with the letter V. In stems, V changes to F. So the stem of leven is leef. Ik leef heel gelukkig. I live very happily. Jij leeft een goed leven. You live a good life. Hij leeft voor de kunst. He lives for art. Wij leven in het heden. We live in the present. Now for our quick error clinic. Mistake 1. Forgetting the T for hij. Don't say this incorrect sentence. Hij werkt in Rotterdam. He work in Rotterdam. Hij always needs T on the stem. The correct version is hij werkt in Rotterdam. He works in Rotterdam. Mistake 2. Keeping V at line end. Dutch stems never end in V. Always change V to F. So say, ik leef in een stad. I live in a city. I live in a city. Here is your quick memory anchor. Ik gets stem. Singular gets plus T. Plurals keep the whole infinitive. Let's recap what we learned today. Vandaag leerden we regelmatige werkwoorden. Today, we learned regular verbs. Ik werk. Jij woont. Wij leven. I work. You live. We live. Great job! Keep practicing every day.